Now relax and listen carefully. Welcome to Miss Lucy English Channel. This is an easy English story for listening practice. You do not need to understand every word. You do not need to repeat now. Just listen calmly and enjoy. Today's story is about something very common. It is about talking to a friend. The main character is Lucy. This is a simple and calm story. Let us begin. Lucy wakes up feeling relaxed. It is a quiet morning. The sunlight comes through the window. Lucy feels calm and comfortable. After breakfast, Lucy sits by the window. She drinks a cup of tea. She looks outside. People are walking. Cars are moving slowly. Lucy feels peaceful, but she also feels a little lonely. She thinks about her friend. Her friend's name is Anna. Lucy and Anna have been friends for a long time. Lucy likes talking to Anna. Anna listens carefully. Anna smiles often. Talking to Anna makes Lucy feel happy. Lucy looks at her phone. She sees a message from Anna. The message says, "Hi, Lucy. How are you today?" Lucy smiles. She feels happy to see the message. She types slowly. She writes, "Hi, Anna. I am good. How are you?" Lucy waits. After a moment, Anna replies. She says, "I am fine. Do you want to meet today?" Lucy thinks for a moment. She likes meeting Anna. She likes talking face to face. She types back, "Yes, I would like that." They decide to meet at a small cafe. The cafe is near Lucy's home. Lucy likes this cafe. It is quiet and friendly. Lucy gets ready. She puts on a light jacket. She checks her bag. She takes her phone and keys. Then she leaves the house. Lucy walks to the cafe. The weather is nice. The sky is blue. Lucy feels relaxed. As Lucy walks, she thinks about Anna. She thinks about their conversations. They talk about simple things. They talk about daily life. They talk about work, food, and feelings. Lucy arrives at the cafe. She opens the door and walks inside. The cafe smells like coffee. Soft music is playing. Lucy looks around. She sees Anna sitting at a table. Anna waves her hand and smiles. Lucy smiles back. Lucy walks to the table. She says, "Hi, Anna." Anna says, "Hi, Lucy. It's good to see you." Lucy sits down. They look at each other and smile. They feel happy to meet. A waiter comes to the table. The waiter asks, "What would you like to drink?" Lucy says, "I would like tea, please." Anna says, "I would like coffee." The waiter nods and walks away. Lucy and Anna begin to talk. Anna asks, "How is your day going?" Lucy answers, My day is good. It is calm. Anna smiles and says, "That's nice." "How about you?" Anna says, "My day is busy, but okay." Lucy listens carefully. She likes listening to her friend. She looks at Anna's face. She feels connected. Talking to a friend is important to Lucy. It makes her feel understood. It makes her feel supported. The drinks arrive. Lucy takes a sip of tea. The tea is warm. It feels nice. Anna drinks her coffee. She looks relaxed now. They talk about simple things. They talk about food. Anna says she likes cooking at home. Lucy says she likes simple meals. They talk about work. Anna talks about her job. Lucy listens carefully. She nods her head. Lucy talks about her English channel. She talks about helping learners. Anna listens and smiles. Anna says, "You are doing a good job." Lucy feels happy to hear this. She says, "Thank you." They talked about the weather. They talked about plans for the weekend. They laughed softly. Time passes slowly. Lucy does not feel rushed. She enjoys the conversation. Talking to a friend helps Lucy relax. It helps her feel less stressed. She feels calm and happy. After some time, Anna looks at her phone. She says, "I need to go soon." Lucy understands. She says, "That's okay." They finish their drinks. They stand up. Lucy says, "Thank you for meeting me." Anna says, "Thank you too. Let's meet again soon." Lucy smiles. Anna smiles back. They say goodbye. They walk in different directions. Lucy walks home slowly. She feels warm inside. She feels happy. Lucy thinks about the conversation. She thinks about the smiles and words. She feels thankful for her friend. Now, think about Lucy. She talked to a friend. She listened. She spoke calmly. She enjoyed the moment. Now, think about you. Do you talk to friends? Do you enjoy conversations? Talking to a friend is good practice for English. You can use simple sentences. You can speak slowly. You do not need perfect grammar. You can say, "How are you?" "My day is good." "I feel happy." These are simple sentences. They are useful sentences. You can use them every day. Now listen to these simple sentences. I talk to my friend. We drink tea. We talk calmly. I feel happy. You can repeat this story. You can listen again tomorrow. Listening every day helps your English grow. Thank you for listening to Miss Lucy English Channel. You are doing very well. Be patient with yourself. Keep listening. Keep practicing. Lucy will see you in the next easy English story.